I know it's been a while, guys. So guys, I'm so sorry for me not uploading all this while. I'm very sorry about that. I've been having some issues on my Google Access account. I'm unable to verify my identity, so I'm really having some challenges on it. Even up till now, I can't lie to you guys, I've not seen solution yet, but I pray to God and I believe that very soon I'm going to see solution to it. But I don't want that to weigh me down, me not uploading for you guys. So that was why. So but on today's tutorial, I'll just be doing I'll just do a very simple owambe parties for you guys. This gele that I want to tie, you can rock it to wedding, church, birthday parties, to any event that you want, guys. So at first I'll be creating my plate, and for this gele, guys, I'll be using my ashoke gele. So I'll be creating like 4 to 5 plates. So I'll be placing it on my edge. I'll be placing it on my edge like so. So after placing it on my, so guys, for this gele, it's 50-50 ratio, guys. So after placing it on my head like this, let me show you guys the back. So like this. So I'll be bringing the hand back to the front. Now we roll the hand, do the same routine here in the other hand. So after that, I'll be bringing it back to the front like this. I'll be bringing it to the front like this. Now twist. So sorry about that. So after bringing it back like this, guys, I'll be twisting it like this. Twisting it like this. So I'll just put this in like this. So let me use my office pen to hold it down there. So I'm using my office pen to pin it down there. So the other hand now, I'll be doing the same thing. I'll be using office pin to pin it down at the other side too. So this other hand now, guys, I'll be using office pin to pin it down here. So ready to rock my Owambe party. So guys, as you can see, this gele is very easy, very simple. It's something that you can just sit down, place a mirror at front of you and start tying your gele by yourself. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, hit the notification bell for you guys to know whenever I upload a new video, and please share this video with your loved ones. See you guys in my next tutorial. Bye guys.